This is the 1996 Honda Odyssey. It comes with 52,340 original miles. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. It has the reliable 2.2 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. All right. The lights do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles, as y'all can see right here. 84,234. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 52,340. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We will go ahead and start on the driver's side. You can visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. We do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for the continual support. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.